Karibuni sana ndugu watazamaji wa Yetu Africa TV. Welcome once again dear viewers of Yetu Africa TV. So in this episode I want to show you, because as Yetu we are creative artists. We are the team of people who really appreciate creativity, and we are artists. So and also we really promote recycling art, like as to use trash, to use nothing to make something. As you are doing that, you are solving some problem. So as you're going to trash, collect the trash and make some art pieces, there you have been solving two things. You have solved the problem of environmental problem, at the same time you have solved the economical problem. So we really promote that, and we really encourage for community to do a lot of that. So this time I want to show you my friend, my longtime friend and my brother. He's a very great artist, percussionist. He will tell you his name, I don't want to tell you. He's making sound out of nothing, out of everything you can find, into the trash, into the road, and he can make a beautiful sound. So I want you to pay attention, listen to the sound, get connected to the sound, and you have to know this sound has been made from those rubbish and the plastic which have been thrown into the environment. Welcome on dear viewers once again. This is Kaya Sana. I'm saying Yetu Africa TV. Sticking.
Yo, Yetu TV, Black Russia, percussion style. Red, yellow, green and gold. One Africa, 54 countries. Yo, percussion is anything. Percussion, the meaning of percussion is any two things that can touch each other and make resonation. Or for example, hit each other and make resonation. So I can take these two sticks, that's percussion. What you saw me playing was an empty tin. I think it contained cutsies. And this is actually just a simple cardboard box from a company called Renzoria that we use in Uganda. We drink water. Yeah, that's it. Percussion.
Yeah,
See you next time.
Yeah, man. Bless it.
Yes.